Hi guys, so I've created a simple food chart that you can refer to for your baby between 6 and 8 months old. This is something that I did for my baby, and so you can give it a try. So there are two things that I want to mention first. There is a separate video that I have made where you can see what are stage 1 foods and when to feed the baby and what to feed the baby and what all options you have. So do visit that video and see the information if that can help you. And secondly, most of the recipes that I have mentioned in this video are available on my channel, so browse for that. So let's get started. The first thing is, when you start solid food for your baby, for first 1 or 2 weeks you will only feed the baby once a day, and that too maybe 2 or 3 spoons. And as time goes by and as your baby is more used to eating outside food, then you can go up to 2 meals per day for baby up to 8 months. So between 6 and 8 months you'll be feeding maximum of 2 meals a day. Some people feed more than that. This is what I did. I used to feed 2 meals a day and about half a cup to 1 cup of the quantity, so as much as the baby can take. So let's see the chart. So here you can see for the first 2 weeks, on waking up mostly you will give breast milk or formula milk to the baby, and the quantity is as usual. Then at the breakfast time you can give a solid food, that is outside food, to the baby, and initially the quantity will be about 1 to 2 spoons. Now what are the options that you have? You have mashed banana, you can give apple sauce, you can give suji kheer or nachni kheer. Suji and nachni kheer are one of my most favorites. Rest of the day you will follow your timetable as usual for breast milk or formula milk. Now one tip here, breakfast try to give it along with the rest of the family and at a set time. So if the entire family eats breakfast at 9 in the morning, try to give breakfast at 9 in the morning for the baby too. Now here I have a second chart where you can see for a baby which is now about 6.5 months, depending upon when exactly you started outside food. Now again, on waking up you will give breast milk or formula milk. Quantity should be as usual. For breakfast you will give 1 solid, which is up to half cup now, and again the options could be mashed banana, apple sauce, suji kheer, nachni kheer, or any other fruit puree that you have introduced for your baby. Then mid morning you will again give 1 round of breast milk or formula milk. Again the quantity will be as usual. And then for lunch you will give another solid meal. So here again the baby will eat up to half cup. The trick is to feed only as much as the baby takes. Don't struggle with the baby, don't fight, and let the baby lead you how much the baby wants to eat. Now you have more options as the baby becomes around 7 months old. Apart from the suji kheer and nachni kheer, you will have rice cereal, moong dal cereal, rice and moong dal combined cereal, variations of the cereal like using palak. Then you can give carrot soup, you can give wheat satwa, which is gahu satwa. You can give purnanna kheer. Purnanna is a mixed powder of nachni, gahu and a couple of other powders like rajgira and sattu, etc. So you can give that kheer. And post lunch for the rest of the day again you will follow your normal timetable for breast milk or formula milk. So this is what you can follow for a baby between 6 and 8 months old. I'll come up with a new video for a baby between 8 and 10 months old or 12 months old. So till then, bye bye. Do browse my channel for more videos, and do let me know in the comments if you like this video and any of your suggestions, and I hope this video helps you plan your menu for your baby. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.